Imagine an art form so ancient, so intricate, yet so versatile that it transcends borders, cultures, and time itself. This is the world of Mehndi, a centuries-old practice of adorning the skin with stunning temporary designs crafted from henna paste. This art form holds a significant place in countless cultural traditions, symbolizing joy, beauty, and spiritual awakening. Now let's dive into the mesmerizing process of creating a Mehndi design. Step 1. Preparation. To start, a paste is made from powdered henna leaves mixed with water. This paste is then filled into a cone, which will act as the artist's tool for drawing. Step 2. Design. The artist begins by sketching a basic outline of the design on the back of the hand. Traditional designs often feature intricate patterns of flowers, vines, and paisleys, while more modern styles might incorporate geometric patterns or symbolic imagery. Step 3. Detailing. Once the outline is in place, the artist fills in the details, adding layers of complexity to the design. This is where the true magic happens. The artist's steady hand and keen eye for detail transform the simple outline into a stunning work of art. Step 4. Drying. The henna paste needs time to dry and set into the skin. This process can take several hours and requires patience. During this time, the henna design darkens, revealing its full depth and richness. Step 5. Removal. After the henna has dried completely, it can be gently scraped off. What remains is a beautiful, richly colored design that will last for 1 to 2 weeks. In summary, the creation of a Mehndi design is a process that requires preparation, design sketching, detailing, drying, and eventual removal of the henna paste. Each step is integral to the overall process, contributing to the final, stunning result. The beauty of Mehndi lies not just in the final design, but in the journey of its creation. As the artist's hand dances across the skin, a simple paste of henna leaves transforms into a complex, beautiful testament to tradition, creativity, and the human spirit. So next time you see a Mehndi design, take a moment to appreciate the skill,